Alhamdulillah. I am also fine. What are you eating? Live in madrasa. I live in school. Why you live in madrasa? I live in madrasa because of Allah Pak's kalam and Quran. What's your madrasa name? My madrasa name is Ali Abidin International Madrasa. My school name is Ali Abidin Model School and Madrasa. What's the school's name? Where is it situated? It is situated in West Gazipur. Subject do you live in? I read in one subject, for example, Quran, Hadith, Dua, Masala, Urdu, Farsi, Bengali, English, Math, History, and Geography, General Knowledge, Arabic Literature, and Talimul Islam, etc. MashaAllah, exactly. You read in all subjects. Have you madrasa girls Khana? Yes, our has girls have khana. So that I decide my little sister admit in your madrasa. Our belief that is no. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
কেমন লাগছে আপনাদের? বলে মাশাআল্লাহ।